Hello everyone, in this video we are presenting the PCB component prototype diode. First, we'll create a new component, and then start by drawing the pins. Next we'll begin drawing our diode pattern. Connect the components and pins, and modify the reference designators. Proceed to save the file. You will be able to see the component we created in your personal library under the frequently used components. Here, we can see the number of placements based on the assigned values. The reference designators will also update automatically.